I'm going to be showing you how to fix swipe not loading new profiles in Tinder. So to fix Tinder profiles not loading, ensure you have a strong internet connection first. That's the first step. Just check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data to see if it works. And after that, just close the Tinder app entirely and try to reopen it. If that doesn't work, you just need to restart your phone to refresh the system. Sometimes a simple restart can help with minor situations. If you have an Android device, you can try clearing apps cache and data to fix potential corruption. You can open your App Store or your Play Store to see if you're up to date with the app. If there are any updates available, then just go ahead and update the app altogether. The last step you can try is reinstalling the app. Just delete and then install Tinder. This ensures you have the latest version of the app and refreshes your experience entirely. So in this way, you can successfully fix Tinder not loading new profiles. So there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.